Good morning, boys. It's Mr. Thompson. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to write a complete sentence. How to write a complete sentence. So, when we are writing complete sentences, this is our checklist, our rules that we need to follow. Number one, capital to the beginning of a sentence. So every time you start a sentence, it should be a capital. If you look at my sentence right here, my first letter is a C and it's uppercase. If you go to sentence number 2, the first letter is uppercase. Same thing for number 3, uppercase P again. And number 4, we have an uppercase S. Whenever you start a sentence, you need an uppercase at the beginning or a capital. That C word is capital. Rule number 2, finger space. You should be able to put your finger in between these words. If you cannot put your finger in between the words, that means the words are too close. I'm showing you that I can put my finger through the spaces, so I have good finger space. Rule number 3, punctuation. At the end of the sentence, if you're yelling or showing excitement, use an exclamation point. If you're just telling somebody something, use a period. And if you're asking something or if you have a question, you need to use a question mark. And last rule, straight on the lines. When you're writing, it needs to be on a straight line. Your writing cannot go down and your writing should not go up. Your writing should go on a straight line. So let's practice. How to write a complete sentence. Here's an example. It says, a boy is playing on the floor. A boy is playing on the floor. I see a couple things wrong with this, boys. Let me go back to our rules. Rule number 1, capital or uppercase at the beginning of a sentence. If you look right here and you notice the A, what kind of A is that? Yeah, that's lowercase. So that's already a problem. That needs to be uppercase. Rule number 2, finger space. Finger space looks good right here, looks good right here, looks good right here, looks good right here, looks good right there, looks good right here. But right here, these two words are way too close together. The words the and floor are way too close to each other. Number 3, punctuation. Do we have a period at the end? Do we have a question mark at the end? Or do we have an exclamation point at the end? No, boys, there's nothing there. So we could add something. A boy is playing on the floor. That sounds like you're telling me something, so that would be a period. Rule number 4, last one, straight line. Are all of these words on a straight line? A is on a straight line, boy is on a straight line, is on a straight line, but playing, playing looks like it's falling down. And remember, our words are supposed to be on a straight line. So this is what our sentence is supposed to look like the correct way. A boy is playing on the floor. A is uppercase, finger space in the middle. Punctuation, I have a period because I'm telling you something. A boy is sitting on the floor. And last, number 4, our words are straight. None of our words are going up and none of our words are going down. Last one, boys. Is today your birthday? Do you see anything wrong with this sentence? Do I have an uppercase? Do I have enough finger space? Is there punctuation? And are the words straight? Not falling down, not going up? Yeah, boys, this one's good. We'll give this a check. So remember, boys, when you're writing those complete sentences, uppercase in the beginning, finger space, punctuation, and words on a straight line.